Hey there, I'm Brielle. Welcome to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Vitamix Ascent X3 Blender, a professional grade machine that's perfect for anyone who loves smoothies, soups, or getting creative in the kitchen. If you're looking for a blender that delivers top-notch performance, stick around to see if this is your dream appliance. Let's blend it up. First, let's talk features. The Vitamix Ascent X3 has a 2.2 horsepower motor that crushes ice, blends greens, and handles tough ingredients like a champ. Its 48-ounce container is ideal for small to medium batches, great for 1 to 4 servings. You get 3 preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts, plus variable speed control and a pulse feature for custom textures. The self-detect technology adjusts settings based on container size, and the self-cleaning program makes cleanup a breeze. Just add water and soap, and it's done in 60 seconds. It also has a digital timer and a tamper holder for easy blending. Now the pros? This blender is a beast. It makes creamy smoothies, steaming soups, and snow-like crushed ice in no time. The presets are super convenient, and the self-detect tech makes it foolproof. Amazon reviews love its quieter operation compared to older Vitamix models and its sleek design. The 10-year warranty and durable build mean it's built to last. Plus, the self-cleaning feature saves so much time, and it's compatible with other Vitamix self-detect containers for extra versatility. On the con side, it's not flawless. The 48-ounce container is smaller than some other Vitamix models, so it's not ideal for large batches. It's still a bit loud, though quieter than past models. The price is a premium, so if you only blend occasionally, it might feel like a splurge. Some users also mention the tamper holder can be tricky to clean by hand. Do I recommend it? You bet if you're a frequent blender user who wants pro-level results at home. It's perfect for smoothie fans, home cooks, or anyone who values durability and ease. If you only blend now and then, a cheaper model might work, but for quality and versatility, the Ascent X3 is a star. Ready to check it out? Click the link in the description to grab the Vitamix Ascent X3 Blender on Amazon for the best pricing and any special promotions. Thanks for watching Rick's Review Hub. If this review helped you decide, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let's keep making smart choices together. See you next time.